When I'm in Greece, I love to go to different restaurants and different villages to see what dishes they make at that specific restaurant or different ideas so that I can bring them back to the US. So one of the restaurants we went to, they made this Kataifi Tyropita. So I wanted to try it today. I've never made it before, so we're gonna try it. Changing the recipe a little bit to things that I like. So we're gonna mix here feta. And in the US, they have ricotta. We don't have that here, so we're gonna use this cheese. And we're gonna make the filling first. And I already have on the stove melted butter. So crumble this up. And the thing that's great about these recipes is that, you know, you could try different cheeses and see what you like the best. So I like to try different varieties. So now we have phyllo, which is another cheese that they have here in Greece that's soft. So it's similar to ricotta. That's what they say. We'll try it out. It's more about the consistency that I needed. So you can see here, this is very soft. So we'll put that in the mixture. And we're gonna add a little bit of pepper to this. I'm gonna mix that and an egg. I'm gonna mix this up. Now, if I was at home or if I had here, I would suggest adding a little pinch of nutmeg, but I don't have any today, so I'm not gonna use it, but that would be it. I'll write that in the recipe for you. It's perfect. It looks like our filling is ready. So we have our filling ready, our melted butter, and now we have our kataifi. So we're gonna take this, open up the package. So now, when you're working with this, we're gonna shred it out, spread out, and we're gonna make rolls. I'm gonna take some butter, drizzle it on top. Now, if you have a brush, obviously that would be better. I don't have one here, so we're just gonna use a spoon. I'm gonna butter this dish too. A little bit of olive oil on this as well. I preheated the oven, it's 350 degrees. So this dish is ready. Kataifi is ready. We're gonna take our filling, put that right here at the end, and then we're gonna roll it. Just like we would do for like when you do kataifi, which with the honey and nuts, we're gonna make it the same way. Perfect, look at that. And we're gonna do more butter, of course. And then the seam side down, we're gonna put it right here in the baking dish. We've rolled all of them. I'm gonna cover them in butter, and then we're gonna bake them in the oven. So I've cooked this about 40 minutes till it was nice golden brown. Look how beautiful these look. I can't wait to try them. So these are, you know, kataifi I usually think of like with sweet items, but with the savory, it works so well too. Look at that butter. So I'm gonna plate them here. And then, look at this. We're gonna drizzle a little honey. Oh, wow. And a little bit of sesame. Wow, this looks awesome. This is game changer for tyropitas. I can't wait to try this. Okay, let's try one of these. Look at that. And if you were serving this like little bunch of people, you could cut these up. Look at this, perfect little roll. Look at that, tyropita bite. Let's try this. Oh my God, this is so good. Sweet and savory. I love the consistency of the kataifi. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products. You guys gotta try this.